Good evening, everyone. Tonight is a special night. We are going to visit animals in the wild and watch them as they go to sleep. Let's say good night to the animals together. Let's start our adventure. First, let's visit the graceful deer who lives deep in the forest. The deer has been quietly walking through the forest all day. Good evening, deer. How was your day? The deer gives a gentle nod and smiles. Good night, dear. Have sweet dreams. Next, let's visit the otter who lives by the river. The otter has been swimming and catching fish all day. Good evening, otter. You played a lot today. Now it's time to rest. The otter splashes in the water and waves goodbye. Good night, otter. Now, let's visit the lion who lives on the wide savanna. The lion has been running around the grassland all day. Good evening, lion. You've run a lot today and must be tired. Good night, lion. Rest well and be full of energy tomorrow. Next, we'll visit the koala who lives high in the trees. The koala has been eating leaves all day and looks very sleepy. Good evening, koala. You ate a lot today. Now it's time to sleep. Good night, koala. Sleep tight. Finally, let's visit the penguin who lives by the sea. The penguin has been swimming and playing with friends all day. Good evening, penguin. You had fun swimming today. Good night, penguin. I hope tomorrow will be another fun day. Now, everyone. All the animals have said good night and are falling asleep. It's your turn now. Close your eyes and dream wonderful dreams with the animals. Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams.